Did you know that as an online dietitian, you can reach more people and have the potential to make more sales in only 10 minutes a day if you learn how to maximize Instagram marketing? In today's video, I'm going to break down those tips just for you. I am saving the best tip for last, so you want to make sure to watch this entire video until the end. So you're probably thinking, and I'm starting with this tip because it's probably something that comes up the most often to your head. If someone's going to say something about being on Instagram, you're probably thinking about making content. So I'm going to start there. So if you're thinking about making content, I'm going to ask you to limit the amount of time that you are in the content creation mode. As online dietitians, we tend to be perfectionists. And if you're trying to grow your business through Instagram marketing, focusing on perfectionism will only slow you down. So think about creating content in the fastest amount of time possible. So you focus really on consistency and building habits of creating content, but less so on how perfect the content is. Now, this is a double-edged sword because you need to create some content to improve your content, but your content only gets better, not when you post it more often, but actually when you get feedback from your potential clients, right? Your ideal clients and your target market, and you learn about the frustrations that they experience. And then when your content starts translating their frustrations, that's when you've really gotten closer to nailing your marketing message. And that should be the focus for your 10 minutes a day on Instagram. Let me explain. Now, when it comes to creating content, you want to keep it simple. We offer free templates inside of our Academy library, and it's a great option to get started. We have monthly plans and an annual plan, but these templates are going to save you time. They're not only created very beautifully, but they're something that you just use time and time again, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Now, I'm a big fan of templates any chance you have, especially social media. I also work with clients to create a content bank. So we have ideas and themes inside of the membership that you can plug into your unique content bank, but that's going to be an archive, a repository of ideas that you can pull related to your ideal client. It really comes in handy when you're trying to keep to 10 minutes a day on Instagram. Now, if you want a video dedicated specifically to a content bank and what that means and how you can apply it sooner, comment below and I will consider making one. Now, the templates that we offer that you can add to your content bank do help you speed up the process. I break down how to write a caption and I even give you caption ideas that you can plug and play. Again, the goal is to get you 10 minutes a day on Instagram. And if you're spending all day and night on captions, then you're not really limiting your time in the content creation process. Remember, least amount of time to create, more time needs to be talking to people who struggle with the problems and frustrations related to nutrition so your content has a chance to improve. You absolutely want to leverage Instagram stories. This is more important because Instagram stories give you a chance to connect with your potential followers and your ideal clients that might be on Instagram looking for solutions when it comes to nutrition outcomes. Instagram stories help you build trust. Now, I'm a huge fan of showing your face. We have a whole campaign with a hashtag called Show Your Face. And we ask dietitians to use that hashtag and tag us for accountability so that you can really start to show up more for yourself and for your clients. And it can feel really awkward and uncomfortable, but when you show up more for your audience, they start to know you, like you, and trust you. And people buy from other people that they know, like, and trust. So it's a good thing to show your face and do so often. In 10 minutes a day, you can build relationships, foster the know, like, and trust factor, and you can also speed up your content creation process by using templates that don't take you all day to create some new, magnificent, artistic post idea. I want you to strike up a conversation with somebody who might be related to any nutrition problem. If you know your niche, and let's say you know for sure you're diabetes type 2, then definitely look for people that are struggling with diabetes type 2, or they're already posting within the hashtag, or they're commenting on things, and start building genuine relationships and connections with people. Now, if that's tricky for you because you don't yet know your niche, start with talking to people that have nutrition problems so you can work on narrowing down who your target market is and what problems that they have. And that's called your brand messaging. So you want to get your brand messaging clear, but if you don't know now, that's okay. Spend some time focusing on your brand message and prioritize that over spending time on your content. So if you have 10 minutes a day, 8 minutes should be focusing on the developing a brand message and learning what people want and need, and 2 minutes would be producing the content, showing up for 30 seconds on your stories, or gathering that template and making 1 or 2 posts from a template you already have and scheduling that out. If you want to listen through hashtags, so let's go back to that diabetes example. If you are in the diabetes space, go through diabetes type 2 hashtags and start to look visually at what people are explaining and read the captions and see what are popular trending conversations so you can learn and observe about what people are talking about. That's going to help you then create better content and stay relevant to the trends online. All right, best tip for last. As an online dietitian, if you want to spend 10 minutes a day on Instagram to grow your business, you need to engage with your community. That means you're responding to comments and you're spending time engaging with other people's content. That could mean liking, that could mean commenting authentically, that could be sending DMs. Now, you want this to be authentic, not spammy, so you do want to focus on building relationships. Find some commonality that you have with somebody else. And that's no different than how you would build a relationship with somebody that you met at school or somebody from your childhood. So you want to use those same skills to try to find some commonalities between people on the internet. I'm a big fan of playing nice, so it's not about picking fights. You're genuinely trying to build relationships. Not everybody will be receptive, but you putting feelers out there and engaging with people is going to help you open the door to learn more about what people's wants and needs are that you can then translate onto your content to improve your content production process. Talk to people, go on hashtags, and join in on conversations. There you have it. I shared Instagram marketing strategies that take you under 10 minutes a day. Remember, if you are a perfectionist like many dietitians, focusing on letting go of some of that perfectionism and spending less time on creating and optimizing your content and more time having conversations and building trust by showing your face is the answer if you're looking to grow your business. I want you to watch this next video on screen. And if you're looking for support, we have an affordable month-to-month option called the Academy Library, where I offer you templates, not only for the actual posts, but also the captions. And our team provides feedback to help you create content and engage in conversations with relevant people online so that you can grow your dietitian private practice even faster. I've got a link in the description box so you can join the Academy Library today.